Are you looking for the best bikini trimmers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best bikini trimmers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle Razor. The Schick Hydro Silk TrimStyle Razor with Bikini Trimmer for women is a versatile 2-in-1 grooming tool designed for smooth and comfortable shaving and trimming, especially for sensitive areas like the bikini line. It features a dual design with a 5-blade razor on one end and a waterproof adjustable bikini trimmer on the other, offering for customizable length settings. The razor includes a hypoallergenic moisturizing serum with shea butter for up to 2 hours of hydration, while skin guards and a protective coating help minimize irritation. The device is fully waterproof, making it suitable for use in the shower, and it is dermatologist tested for sensitive skin. The package includes 1 waterproof handle, 1 razor refill, and 1 AAA battery, with some packages offering additional refills. Available from retailers such as Schick, Amazon, Ulta, Target, and Walmart, the TrimStyle razor has been praised by Vogue and Birdie for its combination of convenience, effectiveness, and gentle care for sensitive skin. Number 2. Finishing Touch Flawless Shaver. The Finishing Touch Flawless Body Rechargeable Ladies Shaver and Trimmer in white, rose gold is a sleek, cordless grooming device designed for quick and gentle hair removal on various body areas. Featuring 18-karat gold-plated hypoallergenic blades, it ensures a smooth shave without nicks, cuts, or irritation, making it suitable for sensitive skin. The built-in LED light illuminates the skin, aiding in precise hair removal. Its rechargeable lithium-ion battery offers portability, making it ideal for travel. Users have praised its effectiveness, noting its suitability for dry shaving and its gentle performance on areas like the bikini line and underarms. However, some reviews suggest it may not be as effective on coarse or long hair, recommending pre-trimming for optimal results. Overall, it's a convenient and stylish option for maintaining smooth skin on the go. Number 3. Philips Beauty Bikini Trimmer. The Philips Beauty Bikini Genie Cordless Trimmer, BRT383-50, is a compact and user-friendly grooming tool designed to help you maintain a neat bikini line with ease. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing for precise control during use. The trimmer features rounded trimming tips that effectively cut hair while protecting the skin, minimizing the risk of nicks and irritation. It comes with 2 click-on combs, 3mm and 5mm, to achieve different hair lengths, and a mini shaving head for a clean, smooth finish. The washable trimming head promotes optimal hygiene, and the device is powered by AA batteries, making it portable and convenient for travel. Additionally, a soft drawstring pouch and cleaning brush are included for easy storage and maintenance. Number 4. VOYOR-HEALTH Shaver. The VOYOR-HEALTH ES400 electric shaver for women is a versatile 4-in-1 grooming kit designed for efficient and comfortable hair removal across various body areas, including the face, legs, underarms, and bikini line. It features a high-frequency vibration motor delivering up to 10,000 cuts per minute, ensuring precise and irritation-free trimming. The shaver comes with multiple interchangeable heads, a 3-in-1 floating blade head for close shaving, a facial brush for deep cleansing, a facial epilator for fine hair removal, and a callus remover for foot care. Its IPX7 waterproof rating allows for safe use in the shower, and the ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip during use. The device is cordless and rechargeable, making it convenient for travel and on-the-go grooming. Users have reported positive experiences, noting its effectiveness and ease of use. Number 5. OLOV Electric Body Hair Trimmer. The OLOV Electric Body Hair Trimmer is a versatile grooming tool designed for both men and women, suitable for use on various body areas, including the bikini line, groin, underarms, legs, and face. Its standout feature is the replaceable ceramic blade heads, which are engineered to minimize skin irritation and provide a smooth, close shave without pulling or nicking the skin. The trimmer is fully waterproof, IPX7 rated, allowing for convenient use in the shower and easy cleaning under running water. It comes equipped with 2 adjustable trimming guards to accommodate different hair lengths, a nose trimmer head, and a USB recharge dock for added convenience. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it user-friendly for both men and women.